Since the dawn of time, humans have gazed upwards at the heavens and wondered about the nature of the objects seen in the night sky. As a result of the incredibly rapid development of rockets and the progress of electronics and other technologies in the early 20th century, it was possible to launch machines, then animals, and finally people above Earth's atmosphere into outer space. NASA and Elon Musk have just made an amazing discovery on Neptune that is rumored to change everything in the space industry. Want to know about it? Then stay tuned to the video. Welcome to Elon Musk Tube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or anything related to the multi-talented, influential tech icon and billionaire, Elon Musk. So without any further delay, let's start. Elon Musk, one of the most famous and well-known entrepreneurs in the world, is known for being an eccentric individual with a lot of weird ideas. Besides leading the automotive industry with his electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla, he is also known for making new discoveries and launching extraordinary expeditions into space. And recently, an amazing discovery has just been made by Elon Musk on Neptune. On the roughly Neptune-sized exoplanet TOI 674b, New Year's Day is celebrated every 47.5 hours, making it somewhat of a rarity. While years of hunting have been conducted, very few middle-sized gas giants have ever been found with orbits shorter than a few days. This has created what astronomers refer to as Neptunian desert of hot, star-skimming planets of intermediate masses. This exoplanet is listed under the name TOI 674b and is a kind of exoplanet that orbits not around the Sun but around another star. It has a promising aspect in the sense that it has a discernible atmosphere. This study has been submitted to the academic journal by a group of scientists from around the world, led by Jonathan Brand of the University of Kansas, who contributed to the study of water vapor on TOI 674b. In addition, they included researchers from the NASA Ames Research Center as well as the IPAC and other research centers at Caltech. Brand described the planet as a very rare planet orbiting a red dwarf star some 150 light-years away from Earth. It is estimated that a light-year is equivalent to 6 trillion miles, yet it is still considered a nearby star in terms of astronomy, according to NASA. Brand explains, "There is a location we call the frost line, which is the center of where erratic species, such as water, are irradiated by their star and which stays in an evaporated state. But further out, these can actually condense and freeze into solid materials more available for making planets. As a result, the U.S. Space Agency has now suggested it will be the subject of a thorough investigation. But TOI 674b is more impressive for its location so close to its host star, about once every 2 days, making a close pass around this red dwarf. Astronomers refer to this orbital region as the Neptune Desert due to the lack of Neptune-like planets in this region. Researchers aren't certain why short-orbit Neptunes are rare, but are doubtful that such planets would migrate to the other side of the solar system. In the case that they stay very close to their host star, their atmosphere should be shredded by their host star's radiation, making the detection of water vapor on TOI 674b highly unusual. Brand jokes that at a temperate 680 degrees Fahrenheit, the world may seem like an oasis. A recent discovery from astronomers has revealed something else surprising about this newly discovered middle-range giant, something that could help explain why this was such a special discovery in the first place. There is also a hint of water floating in its atmosphere. It is still unclear how much water there is in the atmosphere of the world, so do not be tempted to book your next beach vacation just yet. The discovery of water signatures on planets far from our own oceanic world is exciting for a number of reasons, not least of which is the revelation of how unique our planet might be. Now that we have obtained more data on the explicit amount of water present in TOI 674b's atmosphere, we will proceed to collect more data on other aspects, such as the metallicity of the atmosphere. Researchers have figured out some details regarding the TOI 674b atmosphere's water vapor, even though they haven't yet established its exact water content. It is estimated that the exoplanet is 1.3 times the size of Neptune and about 23 times the mass of Earth. Despite its tiny size, TOI 674b is quite cool, and it orbits its star tightly, forming a full circle in less than 2 days, which you can compare to the length of a year on the planet. In comparison, Neptune takes approximately 165 years to complete its orbit around the Sun. This discovery was made through a combination of the tried-and-true Hubble Space Telescope and NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, which was launched in 2018. The planet was first discovered by TESS, and its light spectrum was later measured by Hubble. Observations from the now-retired Spitzer Space Telescope also helped to reveal some details about the atmosphere of the planet. By scaling the amount of water vapor in TOI 674b, scientists will be able to better understand the formation of the exoplanet in its star system and how it migrated to its current position. Despite that, this isn't the first time scientists have found water vapor in an exoplanet's atmosphere. Scientists discovered water vapor on a super-Earth exoplanet located 110 light-years away in 2019. Due to their elongated orbit, Neptune-like planets rarely have an easily detectable atmosphere. NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite discovered the planet a year ago. Since then, it has been on our radar since then. Researchers have already turned on other instruments, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, towards the planet to explore its secrets due to its fascination. However, the James Webb Space Telescope that was launched in December 2021 is likely to start its mission this summer. Brand states that the recently launched JWST will be necessary in order to measure these metal abundances more accurately. Recently deployed, JSWT has the potential to provide more precise information about the atmospheres of exoplanets. As soon as the Webb telescope is operational, it will be able to observe TOI 674b in greater detail once it is turned on. Regarding TOI 674b, JWST could reveal more information about the composition of the world's atmosphere, including the existence of clouds and heavier elements, as well as the amount of water present. Therefore, this should enable Brand and others to understand where and how this planet formed, as well as perhaps take us a step closer to understanding our own solar system's ice giants. According to Brand, given the close distance between an exoplanet with a detectable atmosphere and its parent star, it is likely that TOI 674b was born elsewhere and then migrated to where it is currently located. Brand commented at a press conference for the latest meeting of the American Astronomical Society that planets the size of Neptune are rare in these orbits, in what astronomers call the Neptune Desert. According to him, planets in the desert are extremely rare, suggesting many of them have lost their atmospheres due to stellar radiation. By virtue of its similarity to the parent star, its proximity to us, and the gentle wash of radiation, spectrographs of the current generation can better assess the light flickering through its clouds. However, knowing how TOI 674b fell into such a close embrace with its star will give us an idea of how other solar systems evolve and whether our own is a rare gem among a sea of unrest. Exoplanets like TOI 674b may be able to help us with the proficiency of Neptune and Uranus, both of which migrate huge distances throughout our solar system. As a result of so much radiation coming from the planet's star, it is easier to detect the various chemicals in the atmosphere of hotter worlds in frigid solar systems. However, Uranus and Neptune are quite cold, which leaves astronomers in doubt about their composition as a planet. However, there are a number of factors that could make TOI 674b a potential candidate for habitability, including the discovery of water vapor, which does place it as a prime candidate for future investigations in solar system planets. By examining the chemical composition of its atmosphere in greater detail, it will be possible to understand how it and other stars formed and traversed the universe. Anyways, what do you guys think about it? Comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel for more such content.